Book of Heaven, Volume 12, June 20th, 1918. Jesus, doing the office of priest, consecrates the souls who live in his will. Continuing in my usual state, my sweet Jesus made himself seen around me, all full of attentions. It seemed he was watching me in everything. And as he was doing this, a rope came out from his heart, coming toward my heart. And if I was attentive, the rope would remain fixed in my heart, and Jesus would move this rope and amuse himself. And my beloved Jesus told me,
"My daughter, I am all attention for souls. If they reciprocate me and pay as much attention to me, the ropes of my love remain fixed in their heart, and I multiply my attentions and amuse myself. Otherwise, the ropes remain loose, and my love rejected and saddened."
Then he added,
"With one who does my will and lives in it, my love finds no obstruction, and I love her so much and have so much predilection for her, as to reserve to myself alone everything that is needed for her, both help and direction, both unexpected aids and unforeseen graces. Even more, I am jealous that others might do something. I myself want to do everything for her. And I reach so much jealousy of love that, if I give to priests the authority to consecrate me in the sacramental hosts, so that I may be given to souls, with these souls instead, as they keep repeating the acts in my will, as they resign themselves, as they make the human will go out in order to let the divine will enter, I myself reserve to myself the privilege to consecrate these souls. And what the priest does over the host, I do with them, and not only once, but every time she repeats the acts in my will. Like powerful magnet, she calls me, and I consecrate her for myself like privileged host, repeating over her the words of the consecration. And I do this with justice, because the soul, by doing my will, sacrifices herself more than those souls who receive communion and do not do my will. They empty themselves of themselves in order to place me within. They give me full dominion, and if needed, they are ready to suffer any pain in order to do my will. And I cannot wait. My love cannot keep from communicating me to them until when it is convenient to the priest to give them a sacramental host. Therefore, I do everything by myself. Oh, how many times I communicate myself before the priest feels comfortable to communicate her himself. If it were not so, my love would remain as though hampered and bound in the sacraments. No, I am free. I have the sacraments inside my heart. I am the owner of them and can exercise them whenever I want."
And while he was saying this, he seemed to go around everywhere to see if there were souls who did his will in order to consecrate them. How beautiful it was to see lovable Jesus going around as though in a hurry, doing the office of priest, and to hear him repeat the words of the consecration over those souls who did and lived in his will. Oh, blessed are those souls who, by doing his most holy will, receive the consecration of Jesus.